In the support video, we will demonstrate how to create a new user and how to assign groups and roles to users in Silk Central. Log into Silk Central using the admin user or another account with access to user management. In the menu, browse to Administration. In the User Management section, click on Accounts. Now, click on the New User button. Enter the username, password, and type of authentication. Choose Mix Mode if you'd like the user to be authenticated with either his Silk Central or LDAP password. Please note if a user is known on a LDAP server, but the credentials are incorrect, access is denied. Enter the general user data. In this example, the user will belong to the test management team. Save the new user details. The new user is now available in the users list and in the testing team group as test manager. Now, the new user credentials can be used to access Silk Central. If you have any further questions, please contact Micro Focus support or follow the links at the end of the video. Thanks for watching.